See, now how does something become possible? It's not there and then it becomes possible. How does that occur? Because it has to occur, right?
But the how already implies many things. If you say how, it implies some kind of causality, and like a system which...
Okay, well, take out the causality part. Because obviously, you know, we don't know how.
Yeah.
And yet, there's no possibility. See? No, there's nothing called language. There's no language. And then there is. Somehow language showed up. And so because you say, and as far as you can tell, right? Because you can't quite remember. You can't remember. But you say, because there's nothing there and now there's something. See, there's nothing called language. Now there's language. You say, well, then I didn't do it because I have no idea. That's nothing I can do. See, yet you did.
Yeah. So it seems to imply maybe some kind of openness or not knowing, with some room for having it.
Well, as an infinite, you're really, really, really ignorant. So
yeah.
You got lots of not knowing going on.
Yeah, so that helps. Yeah.
Okay, it helps, right? Yeah. But you have to make that leap.
Yeah.
See, and people take for granted. One of the reasons, you know, we're doing this, you know, running out, because what's coming up next is also complicated or difficult, challenging. But you how do we say this? Like you have to be able to think differently, so to speak. Okay. Like very different than anything you've done. So any way that you've held how all this works. See? And in this case, it's not a thing that you can get through process, and not something you can think, you know, figure out, take action, see? Because it's prior to that. You can't take action in language unless there's language. You see? So, and we're trying to grasp that. You see, what is that? What are we talking about? Is this as if, how does that occur? See, now I'm saying you create it, but you have no idea how you created it. Because you can't think it. As a matter of fact, the vast majority of your thinking is because of language. Okay? It came after language. You notice that most of what you do, you call thinking, is language. It's internal dialogue, right? Chatting about shit, you know? Thinking it through. Talking to other. You remember Helen Keller? See?
Yeah, I went off on this.
Yeah. See? And it wasn't anything but a sensation. And then bang and bang and bang and bang and lots of work, you know. Lots of work. And sensation. Until finally, bingo! Something new happened that never happened before.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.